And if we look at markets, what we can see in recent years has been a real surge in the dominance of China. Whereas 15 years ago, the European Union by far dominated imports of Brazilian soy. This is looking at just the trajectory of soy exports. We can see that in recent years, and the pattern is only continuing now in 2019 and 2020, that China really pulled ahead, not just from the EU, but also from the domestic market within Brazil. However, what our data also show and been able to discriminate the differences in sourcing patterns of major buyers, whether they be companies or countries. If we look from the perspective of relative risk, hectares of deforestation per ton of soy imports, then what we find that the imports into Europe corresponded to double the relative deforestation risk of imports to China. And that same pattern over the last decade, and that pattern has only changed in 2018. And that pattern was also the same with imports of Argentinian soy, where Europe has been historically exposed to higher levels of relative risk. Although it's the inverse for beef, where much of the deforestation risk associated with Brazil's beef exports, the largest exporter of beef in the world, is destined for China.